Hey, what's up guys? Wanted to do a little quick video on a couple Harbor Freight items I have for my Grom, which are plenty sufficient for how much this thing weighs, 220 pounds, wet. First of all, I want to tell you guys about the little motorcycle wheel chocks. They are great. $12.99 at Harbor Freight. These little guys here. Says will hold a tire up to 5 inches wide. Perfect for the Grom. They're made for bigger bikes, but as you can tell here, the rotor doesn't go all the way into there, so it basically sticks out. Yeah, doesn't hit. So what I did on mine is I wrapped a piece of rubber around it on the rotor side and just zip tied it on. That'll keep it from damaging the rotor at all during tow. I just bought a trailer to put these on, so kind of happy about that. But yeah, as you can see here, the rotor does kind of fit, but with the rubber in there, it won't hurt it. So it's super easy to put in there. There's 4 holes to mount on your trailer. Kind of cool. But yeah, it's gonna work out perfect. I bought the second one for that bike, my other Grom. My friends ride this one, so when they come over. Second is a Harbor Freight stand. It's pretty awesome. I'll show you this one. I think they're like 32 bucks. So these here are $12.99. Minus 20%, so about 2 of them for like, I don't know, 20 bucks, somewhere around there. And these little stands are pretty cool for the Grom. Just goes to the rear swing arm. Super easy to use. And these little guys slide, for the Groms, which Grom's about right there, but you can just slide them out, and you can get on Amazon and buy these for the front forks. They're called Black Widow front prong stand. Front prongs, basically, from Black Widow. But they just slide in here like that. And now you can lift the front of the bike too from the fork. Works out great, so you can change out your wheels or do whatever you're doing, motor work. I'm about to put a 30 horsepower motor on this one, so it's going to be pretty fast, about 106 miles an hour top speed after gearing, and all the sporting mods. Yeah, super simple. I won't lift it. I like lifting it whenever I have another person in here. About there. And all it does, it goes right underneath there, and then you just lift up. Super easy. And that's it. Well guys, I'm going to end this video. I just wanted to show you what I have. Have a good one. Bye.